Everybody, what's up? Just showing you guys a few things I cut today. See if I can get this light right here. This stone was like super black on the outside. Definitely tell it's agate or jasper, but it's got that. I was really surprised to see those pockets in there. Probably better. Yeah, you can see it better now. Pretty cool. It's like black and yellow. I think it's gonna polish up good. Got some waterline agate, I think so. I think that's what it is. It's pretty cool stuff. I cut a couple slices of this. I actually got one I put in a tumbler that turned out pretty good. I'm probably gonna cab it though, because I didn't cut it good first time around. I don't know where it is. I got so many stones here, it's crazy. Let's just move on to the next one. This is a different one. It's more blue, bluish gray. This one polished up real nice in the tumbler. Not this one, but this is, I put this one in the tumbler and it's done pretty good. Still could probably go another week. Probably needs to be a little smaller too if you want to make put in jewelry. Oh, here's that piece of water line I put in the tumbler. You see it takes a pretty good polish, but I need to get those scratches out. I'm just gonna cab that one. I just want to see how they do. This stuff really blew my mind. This stuff, just like an ugly grayish rock on the outside, but I could see banding and stuff. This guy is trippy inside. I don't know what's in there. Little specks of something. I'm gonna have to get a microscope. Unless you guys can zoom in. Looks like smoky quartz with whatever that is in there. Let's see. This piece of petrified wood, or I think it's opalized wood actually. The bottom had rings before I cut it. You could totally see the rings, but check it out. I just cut the bottom off just to see what was in there. I was expecting to see more rings, but it's actually, you can kind of see the rings. Not really though. They're going like this. They were going around like this. I think there was 3 or 4. There's the outside. They can make some cool pieces. Still need to cut in it more because I mean that's just cut the bottom off, so that's a pretty cool piece. There's another piece of that blue stuff. It's like a bluish gray. It's a piece of that one big piece. It's pretty cool stuff. Let's see, anything else that I cut today? Just one of these pieces. There's another piece of that Smokey quartz with whatever the heck's in there. I guess it's, I mean, I don't know if it's Smokey quartz, but that's what it looks like. It looked black before I cut it. I'm gonna need a microscope to see what's in there. It's weird. And then here's another piece of that black stuff. This is the big original piece. Should be pretty good. But that's about it I cut today. I need to start getting rid of some of these cabochons. If anybody's interested buying some. I got quite a few. Lots of reds, oranges. Working on some other ones. Got some opals. Oh, I just made this. This is a cat's eye. Well, it looks like cat's eye, but it's black tourmaline. It's a cool piece. But I'll see you guys on the next one.